Ayun, hi guys, welcome to my channel. And sobrang naisip ko lang din na mag-video na actually matagal ko naman ang plan. Gusto ko nang mag-cover, tapos sabi ko, Lord, gamitin mo naman yung YouTube channel ko to glorify you, to encourage people, yun, to have a relationship with you. Pero ngayon, gusto ko nang ituloy na by God's grace. Hindi kasi kanina, someone asked me, a friend, na sabi niya, sa tingin mo, bakit pa tayo nabuhay kung mamamatay lang din naman tayo? Gets nyo? If may nagtanong sa inyo na bakit pa tayo nabuhay kung mamamatay din naman tayo? So, kung you have an idea, comment down below. Vlogger. But kidding aside, napaisip din ako kung bago ako magbitaw ng sasabihin ko. Sabi ko, kaya ka nabuhay, hindi para mamatay. Nabuhay ka because you have a purpose. Nabuhay ka kasi may reason ng Lord, may dahilan ng Lord. And malalaman mo lang yun if you know who created you. Diba? Diba yung ibang gadget, if bago, may manual or catalog or basta papel. Kasi hindi pa naman natin memorize, diba, kung paano to gagawin, paano i-operate to. Pero para malaman natin kung anong purpose nun, kung paano yung gawin, we need to read that manual. So, same is true din sa buhay natin. If we want to know our purpose, ba't tayo nabuhay sa mundong to? Bakit nandito tayo? We need to start with the Lord. Because He is the one who created us. He is the one who knows us so much better, best. Alam niya yung bilang ng buhok natin, yung nasa isip natin, puso natin. So, it is very important to begin with the Lord. Let's say, you are praying for promotion, praying for house and lot, or, alam mo yun, di ba, madalas tayo ganun eh. Yung, Lord, ito yung gusto ko. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan, gusto kong gawin, gusto kong mangyari, gusto kong maranasan. But, na-ask na ba natin, Lord, anong gusto mo para sa akin? Diba? So, because maybe some of us na nanonood ngayon, nakamit na natin yung gusto natin. We already have our own car, house and lot, success in life, yung standard ng success ng mundong to. Pero, ba't ganun? Parang, hindi ka pa rin masaya, may kulang pa rin, may missing piece. Diba? So, right now, it is not an accident na punta ka sa channel na to, or alam mo yun. So, that means that you have a purpose. And sa Lord, you are not an accident. Possible, some of you, feeling nyo, aksidente kayo, hindi kayo plano ng parents nyo. But, sa Lord, hindi ka aksidente. Sa Lord, may plano ang Lord sa'yo na maganda. But it won't happen, hindi ito mangyayari kung hindi natin iaalaw ang Lord sa buhay natin. Kailangan mangialam ang Lord. Hayaan natin na mangialam ang Lord sa buhay natin. Yun yung pinakamahalaga, na hahayaan natin na ang Lord ang maging director, driver, choreographer ng buhay natin. To know our very purpose. Alam nyo, kasi ito yung pinaka-importante. We need to encounter the Lord. Let's have an encounter with the Lord. Relationship with the Lord. Intimate relationship with the Lord. Diba? So, yun yung pinakamahalaga. Sorry, pero saan ka tinanong ko. So, yun yung mahalaga, that we need to have a genuine relationship with the Lord. Diba? So, baka yun yung kulang. Yun yung, na-try mo na lahat eh. You already tried everything. Nag-blessing ka na, whatsoever, ginawa mo, pero parang kulang pa rin, may mali pa rin, masaya ka pansamantala, tapos may hindi ka na naman masaya. So, try to have a relationship with the Lord. If someone asks you to go to church, in-invite ka, kinukulit ka, grab that opportunity. I-grab mo yung opportunity na yan. And, alam mo yun, kung nahihiya ka kasi isipin ng mga friends mo, masyado naman ako maka-Diyos, masyado naman akong, wag kang mahiya kung ang gagawin mo ay makakapagpangiti sa Lord. Wag kang mahiya kung ang gagawin mo malulugod ang Lord. Kung feeling mo, pagtatawanan ka ng friends mo, ikakahiya ka ng friends mo kasi you want to have a relationship with the Lord. Huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mahiya. Because that's the best thing. Greatest achievement in life. To have a genuine relationship with the Lord and do His will. Diba? Alam mo yun, ang purpose mo dito, to serve the Lord, to glorify the Lord. Alam mo yung gagamitin ka ng Lord for His glory. That's your purpose. More than anything else, that's your purpose in life. And if you're looking for something, lapit ka sa Lord. Huwag kang mahiyang lumapit sa Lord. Give time, give chance, and give space, Magbigay ka ng spasyo para sa Lord sa buhay mo. And mararanasan mo yung kamangha-manghang bagay na never mong in-expect. Iba yung plano mo, pero nung you encountered the Lord, nakita mo na napakaganda ng plano ng Lord sa'yo. Diba, naalala ko lang yung verse na Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you." Diba, alam na ng Lord yung plano niya para sa'yo. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a good future. Only through Jesus. Diba, ang ganda ng plano niya, pero hindi ma-fulfill yun if hindi natin hahayaan ng Lord na gumalaw, kumilos, manguna sa buhay natin. So, I pray na yung buhay natin, yung chance na binibigay ng Lord, gamitin natin for His purpose, sa layunin niya. So, yeah, to know your purpose, go back to Him. To know your purpose, start with the Lord. Start with God who created us. So, yun lang. God bless you. Bye-bye.